Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to highlight a column in Excel in just a couple of minutes. This works the same way on Windows, Mac, and Excel for the web. First, we need to select the entire column. At the top of your spreadsheet, you'll see letters like A, B, C. These are your column headers. Click on the letter of the column you want to highlight. Let's say you want to highlight column B, just click on the letter B at the top. The entire column will turn light blue or gray, showing it's selected, and the column letter will look pressed down. Next, click on the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of Excel. The Home tab is usually the first or second tab from the left. You'll see all the font and formatting options appear. Now we're going to add the color. In the Home tab, look for the Fill Color button. It's got a paint bucket icon on it. You'll find it in the font group, usually right next to the Font Color button. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the paint bucket. A color palette will drop down showing theme colors, standard colors, and recent colors. Pick the color you want from the palette. Just click on any color tile. The moment you click it, your entire column fills with that background color. If you don't see the exact color you want, click More Colors to open the full color picker, where you can choose from thousands of options. Click anywhere else in your spreadsheet to deselect the column and see the final result clearly. Here's a quick tip. If you ever need to remove the highlight later, just select the column again, open the Fill Color drop-down, and choose No Fill at the top of the color palette. The fill color stays in place until you manually change it or remove it, so it's perfect for permanently organizing your spreadsheet. You can also highlight multiple columns at once by clicking the first column letter, holding Shift, and clicking the last column letter you want to include. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.